Hello everyone. Let's take a walk around and see what the projects are lined up. Well, I got me 2 boxes of 8 each of these landscape lights. Got them from Costco, $49 a box. That adds to the 24 we already have out there. And took a look at this hot water heater a little more. I ordered up a pigtail here, 50 amp to 230 amp plugs. So I'll hook up the 30 amp motorhome to one, and then that water heater I'll plug into 20 amp into a 30 amp adapter into the other pigtail arm there, and then of course the 50 amp goes into the house. So that should work out real well. And that extension cord, see, I think it's a 12 gauge extension cord that I'll run over there. So let's go around and see what's happening out back. We've got a project we got going out there. Okay, we have lots of material and stuff that needs to go in that workshop eventually when it gets built, but this isn't material for that workshop. That workshop will go back here. But what we have going on is in the backyard, and it's a Alumawood awning. That will really cut down the direct sunlight and make it much more livable back here. So we have an 18 by 18 section of open lattice. Obviously they're in the middle of installing this. They've gone home for the day. And then we have a 30 foot by 15 foot cover. That's insulated section. It's quite an effort. That insulated panels, they can actually walk up on top of there. And then at this end will be another 13 by 15 foot open lattice section. There's all the patio furniture we still can't put in place yet with all the activities taking place here, but it will really be nice having this covered. There will be a downspout off of the guttering of that solid section. And there will be gutters at the eave line above the rafters on the open lattice section here. So it's really nice having this covered. I'm sure it's been nice for them. It's been ranging 100 degrees out here for them. So when they get that shade up there, it makes it a little easier for them to think through what they're doing. The color actually matches the house trim color. As far as the metal workshop, that'll come in, I think, the 3rd week of September. There's the lattice sections and some other end cap materials for that awning that's up there. So all in all, it's starting to come together. There's a final panel they need to put at the end up there. All in all, it's coming together slowly but surely. The next project will be that building back there. So it's getting a little hot out here. We'll go inside, cool off. Thanks for watching. We'll keep you posted on the next update.